So if you look, normally this says 0. I just completely reset it. The load capacity is low, so I know that I'm not overpowering it because everything's plugged in and turned on right now. Battery capacity is usually like this, but because I reset it, it's here. This time bounces around from 10 to 18. See, look, see how it's bouncing? That was only by 1, but it's been bouncing by literally 10 minutes, 2 minutes, which is showing, there you go, see? That it is defective. It's not working at all. And as soon as we had a power surge today, my husband's continued to work, and this one shut completely down. My entire PC shut down, and it puts it at risk. So you can literally see it.
So I have 286 minute here, it says, but look, it's gonna turn off by itself for no reason. And I have load, still have capacity, battery capacity. Check it out, check it out. Look, it just unload, what the hell? Oh wow.